They say magic isn't real, but I bet you haven't seen a software engineer at work. From the moment you wake up and check your phone, to the late-night binge on your favorite streaming app, code is everywhere. Lines of logic written by people just like you turn ideas into the apps, systems, and networks that run our lives. But this isn't just about clever algorithms or flashy apps. The code you rely on every day is millions of lines deep, spanning open-source libraries, cloud platforms, and frameworks built by global teams. It's a living, evolving ecosystem, patched and perfected around the clock. Think about your commute, traffic lights, navigation, even the music you stream. All powered by code. Or the world of finance, billions of transactions secured and executed in milliseconds, thanks to lines of code humming behind the scenes. But with great power comes great responsibility. Every tech professional knows the pressure of shipping clean, secure, reliable code. One small bug can bring down a website, or worse, disrupt the flow of global business. So next time you tap, swipe, or click, remember, there's a world of code working tirelessly, written by problem solvers, dreamers, and builders. They're the unsung architects of our digital age. Here's to the code that runs the world, and to those who write it. Stay curious, and keep building.